Imagine this. What if I told you that starting a goat farm with just one single healthy female goat, a doe, could explode into a thriving, profitable business in just a few years, potentially generating thousands in annual income? Sounds too good to be true. Yet countless small-scale farmers worldwide are proving it daily. With global goat meat consumption projected to surpass 14.4 million metric tons by 2026, and the goat milk products market expanding rapidly toward billions in value, this is your surprising growth journey waiting to happen. Stick around. I'll break down exactly how to make it real, step by step. You don't need vast land, massive loans, or years of experience to get started. Begin with one high-quality doe from a beginner-friendly, productive breed. For meat production, go with Boer goats, known for fast growth, muscular builds, and excellent meat yields. Dairy enthusiasts should choose Saanen for high milk volume, Nigerian Dwarf for rich, high butterfat milk in a compact size, or Nubian for creamy output and adaptability. Dual-purpose options like Kinder or La Mancha mixes offer the best of both worlds. These breeds are hardy, disease-resistant, and ideal for newcomers, often thriving in diverse climates with minimal fuss. BCE 868, EFE 77B, 3662D7. The secret to explosive growth? Goats' incredible reproduction rates. A healthy doe can breed at 8 to 12 months and kid twice a year, commonly delivering twins or triplets, sometimes even quads. That's potentially 4 to 6 kids annually per doe. Start with one, breed her responsibly, rent a buck to avoid keeping one full-time, and retain top female offspring. In year 1, your doe kids 2 to 3 babies. Year 2, she kids again, plus her daughters start producing. By year 3 to 4, one doe can realistically build a herd of 15 to 30 goats through natural multiplication, all without constant new purchases. Smart breeding maximizes this. Select for strong genetics. Daily care is straightforward and budget-friendly. Goats are browsers. They thrive on weeds, brush, shrubs, and quality hay, needing only minimal grain supplements, 1 to 2 pounds per day per adult. On 1 to 2 acres with good forage, feed costs stay low. Health basics, annual vaccinations, CD and T, regular deworming based on fecal tests, hoof trimming every 6 to 8 weeks, and clean water ton minerals. Setup? A simple 3-sided shelter protects from weather. Sturdy woven wire fencing with electric top strands keeps predators out, and basic feeders/hay racks prevent waste. Many beginners convert existing sheds or build affordable pole barns. Profitability shines in small scales. Real farmers report herds growing from 1 doe to 20 to 50 in 3 to 5 years, selling kids at $150 to $300 each. Meat breeds, milking for $10 to $20 per gallon, dairy, or breeding stock at premium prices. Niche markets, organic, grass-fed, halal, or direct-to-consumer, boost margins. Value-added products like artisanal cheese, yogurt, soap, or lotions from milk add 50 to 100% more income. Small operations often net $2,000 to $10,000 per year initially, scaling to $20,000 to $50,000 plus with diversification and efficient management. Dreaming of a low-risk, sustainable farm that grows itself? Starting with one female goat is the smartest entry. Low startup, rapid expansion, and primed markets in 2026. Source a quality doe from a reputable breeder. Build basic infrastructure. Breed wisely. And watch the magic unfold. If you're ready to launch your own surprising growth journey, start today. Research local breeders, secure that first doe, and set up your shelter. Hit like if this fired you up, subscribe for more real farming guides, and comment below. What's your biggest question or first planned step? Let's build your booming goat farm together.